Hello students, this is a simple ordinary differential equation question. Here we have y equal to yx to a solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equals to y plus 1 divided by y plus 1 into e raised to x square by 2 minus x, and x lies between 0 to 2.1 with y equal to 0, y of 0 to be equal to 0, y of 2 equal to 0, then the value of dy by dx at x equal to 1 is. So this is a simple differential equation. What we need to do is we need to simplify these terms, and how we will going to be simplify is we take this y plus 1 in the denominator, so this term it does not have any term in its multiplication. Once we have that, we take this x to the left hand side, and once we take this x, we again divide it with y plus 1 to get e raised square by 2 as the term in the right hand side. Now we multiply it with the negative sign again to simplify the terms, and once we have that, we put 1 by y plus 1 is equals to z. Once we have that, we take dz by dx as this term and we put in the equation, and this becomes a very simple ordinary differential equation by using the integrating factor term as e raised to integral of the term which is multiplied by z, which is minus x. So we put e raised to integral of minus x dx, which becomes e raised to minus x square by 2, and thus we put z into the integrating factor is equals to minus of integral. This minus is not in the formula, this is because of this integrating factor over here. I'm sorry, this over here as I have marked, this is the integrating factor, so this negative sign is because of that. Again integrating factor, so I will just take this negative off of here. So this is the integrating factor into the term that we have after that, that is this term over here, which becomes minus e square by 2, and after putting that we get the integration value to become minus x plus c, and once we have that, we have the differential equation, and once we have that, we put the value of y of 0, which y equal to 0 at x equal to 2, we get this c value to be e raised to minus 2 plus 2, and from 1 and 2 that we marked, we get y plus 1 to be equal to e raised to minus x square upon 2 upon e raised to minus 2 plus 2 minus x. So this is the equation for y. Once we put x equal to 1, we get the answer for y equal to 1 to be equal to this value over here. Thank you.